What if we could find a treatment for drug-resistant TB that lasted for 2 months instead of 2 years?
That didn't cause nausea, deafness, or psychosis.
That didn't rely on daily injections that make you cry out in pain.
That didn't take 15,000 pills to treat.
What if we could cure all people of drug-resistant TB instead of just half?
This isn't just wishful thinking. We could definitely do this. It's not just the science that's getting in the way, but also the lack of funding and knowledge sharing.
Here's how we develop TB drugs now. Each stage of this journey carries a significant risk that the drug won't make it through. And since TB is a disease that hits poorer countries hardest, drug companies don't see the drugs generating enough profits at the end of the pipe. And so every year, more companies walk away from investing in the science to develop new TB treatments. The next challenge is the lack of collaboration. This matters because one drug alone cannot cure TB. We need a combination of drugs. And we need to see if new drugs in development can combine with other new drugs to improve treatment. The 3P project is designed to address these challenges. First, we pull in developers to work on potential new drugs by awarding them substantial prize money when they come up with a candidate that has passed through all the early tests and is ready to enter clinical trials. That's how we stock up the pipeline with new candidate drugs. Then the next P, pool, comes in. With the 3Ps, anyone who wants to join the 3P project and be eligible for winning a prize or landing a grant puts their compound in the 3P pool. All compounds in the pool can be used by anyone to investigate how new combinations work together. Right now, it takes decades to create new combinations, as we wait for individual drugs to work their way right through the pipeline. And only then do negotiations start between the owners of the drugs to work together to test new combinations. Finally, we use push funding at key places through the R&D cycle. For instance, we award grants to push through combination development and speed up clinical trials. So now, instead of waiting decades for a drug to come to market in order to test combinations, we can test the combinations simultaneously as the drugs come into and move along the development pipeline.
3Ps will make it possible to develop new, effective combination treatments faster.
And because the 3Ps covers the costs and ensures rewards for taking these drugs from the lab to the markets,
the sale price of the drugs is delinked from the R&D costs and will be affordable for those who need them.
Generic manufacturers are given the right to make and sell quality-assured versions of the new treatment combinations.
3P will transform the way we develop treatments for TB.
And throw a lifeline to all people who need and deserve better treatment than they're getting now.
We can't afford to wait any longer. We need your support to turn 3P into reality now.
So please, get behind this effort with us. Invest in a better future for TB treatment for the people most in need.